Hello guys, in this training course we are going to make tutorial about Adobe Animate. The Adobe Animate is very powerful and interesting tool for creating interactive vector animation. You can use your animation in a game application, example UI, web, and you can design banners with advertisement banner with Adobe Animate. And here it's Adobe Animate. You can give your game on, create active web and mobile content for game, and here you can animate your character with an interesting tool, and after that you can publish to any platform, for example HTML5, a WebGL / Adobe AIR. Interesting, and lots of tools. You can create your animation or your ideas on this application. As you can see, we have an interesting tools layer and other things for that. This is an Adobe Animation, and you can design your animations on this. We are going to explain all of that tools. Stay tuned with us. Thank you.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.